Hi, this is Tim of the 1916 Company with the Rolex Certified Pre-Owned Oyster Perpetual Submariner. Now, this is a 6-digit reference, 114060. This Rolex Certified Pre-Owned Submariner is part of a model family that was made from 2012 to 2022, and it represents the core of the model. Before the dates arrived, back in 1953, we had the first Submariner, which would become the prototype of the modern dive watch class, and to this day remains the point of reference for diving watches. The watch is 40 millimeters in diameter, it's 12.7 millimeters thick from lug tip to lug tip, 48.1 millimeters, and if you measure end link to end link, total distance across the wrist, 50.9 millimeters with a 20 millimeter spacing between the lugs. We have an all-solid center link and solid end link Rolex bracelet and Oyster bracelet. The case and the bracelet and the clasp, all metal exposed, 904L steel, which is a version of stainless steel that is even more resistant to corrosion in the face of certain types of industrial acids as well as salt concentration, so excellent for sea submergence. Removable links are fixed by screws for sizing. We have an Oyster clasp that includes both a clamshell and a pivoted lift lock with a beak and hook, so 2 locking factors. Internally, we have Rolex's glide lock system, which can be used for full extension over a diving suit, or you can fine-tune the fit in 2 millimeter increments with 20 millimeters of total travel. You can also see there are incremental sizable links in the bracelet that are in between sizes in case you need to fine-tune the fit further. Now, the watch is beautifully cut, as you can see, square-shouldered with crown guards designed to protect the trip-lock screw-down crown from shearing. The watch is 300 meters water-resistant. You can see the case back, Oyster style, screwed in. The watch features a medley of satin and polish, and of course, this being Rolex Certified Pre-Owned, this timepiece has been authenticated by Rolex, refinished, serviced, provided with parts and service that are Rolex original as necessary. Every Rolex Certified Pre-Owned timepiece comes with, at a minimum, a box, a Rolex warranty manual, user manual, leatherette card holder, and a pouch. Each Rolex Certified Pre-Owned timepiece comes with a 2-year globally valid warranty that Rolex will honor in any country that has a Rolex authorized dealer. Bring your watch to the Rolex authorized dealer in your region to honor the 2-year global warranty. The bezel is 120 click unidirectional rotating with a luminescent sapphire topped pearl, acting as a timing reference against the minute hand. It features a Rolex Cerachrom ceramic insert for scratch resistance with the numerals and the indices actually platinum infill, so they will never oxidize or tarnish. The dial, a lush lacquer in black with white gold hands and indices. For the same reason platinum is used in the bezel, white gold is used for these dial furniture features, so they will never discolor. Turn the light off. Rolex's Chromalight blue proprietary luminescence assures legibility, and you can see all 3 hands are lumed, so you know if your diver is working in the depth and in the dark. Bidirectional automatic winding with a 48-hour power reserve. It has stop seconds for precise setting. Oscillates at 4 Hz. It's shock resistant thanks to a free-sprung balance and a full balance bridge. It features an anti-magnetic niobium zirconium hairspring alloy called Parachrom Blue, which is original to Rolex. Not only highly anti-magnetic, the hairspring is a Breguet overcoil so that the watch is isochronous in every position. While the movement is a COSC certified Swiss chronometer, it is more, having been tested by Rolex to run to superlative chronometer standards, which means no worse than -2 + 2 seconds per 24 hours of operation. For more information about this Rolex Certified Pre-Owned Submariner, reach out to Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase and pricing and availability details.